introduce my name. My name is Didit Maulana. This is a very rare technique. Yeah, because now there is no artisans that can create the dot as little as this. You can see and you can touch and you can film it. This is so beautiful. And then now let's start with the workshop. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay.
So I just finished the batik painting experience. It was very fun.
It's a very good culture and many history for batik. I love it.
So it's just like have your own pattern underneath, but you can recreate something else out of the pattern.
Always so unexpected because you're gonna just do a workshop working on batik, but you introduce the history of batik also as.
And I'm so happy that I got to experience something so traditional and precious to Indonesia.
We learn something new, cara buat batik, and it's really fun dan relaxing banget.
Dan juga kita belajar sejarah batik dikit, kayak ada gambar-gambar pattern dari mana, culture mana gitu. Seru banget dan informatif banget sih.
Very good. I like it.
First time aku batik dan ternyata sebenarnya sulit ya, tapi benar-benar have fun.
My batik making experience, I truly committed because as you can see, I'm the last one here. It was very therapeutic. It's also a really nice new thing to learn and discover. I've always admired how the batik prints look, and now I can finally say I know how to make one.
He sees right through her.